Starting position. 1. Lie down on your right side on an exercise mat. 2. Right arm. Wrap it across your waist or let it rest on the side of your torso. 3. Left arm. Bend at the elbow and place your left hand behind your head, elbow pointing upward. 4. Legs. Stack them on top of each other, fully extended. 5. Engage your core and keep your body in a straight line. Execution, side jackknife. 1. Simultaneously lift your left leg and upper torso toward each other. You're bringing the elbow of your left arm toward your raised leg. Your lower body stays anchored to the mat. Hips and right leg remain in contact. 2. Squeeze your obliques at the top of the movement. 3. Pause briefly at the top, maintaining control. 4. Lower slowly back to the starting position. Reps. Do 10 to 15 reps per side, or as many as you can with good form. Switch sides to work the opposite obliques. Form tips. Avoid pulling on your neck with the left hand. Let your abs do the work. Don't swing your leg up. Use controlled movement. Keep your core tight throughout to avoid straining your back. Please check my next video.